Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's explainer. I was recently looking through Linkspreed's latest announcements, and we really need to break down what looks like a massive leap forward in how we build and own digital communities. If you've ever felt totally frustrated by the limitations of modern social media platforms or kind of intimidated by the sheer cost of building your own app from scratch, you're absolutely going to want to pay close attention to the technology we're unpacking today.
You know how it's always been, right? For years, launching a digital network meant you were forced into one of two very painful choices. On one hand, you have the classic walled garden dilemma. You rent space on someone else's platform, sure, but you have to live by their constantly changing algorithms, and you basically have to accept that you don't really own your audience. On the other hand, the alternative was just brutal. You'd have to hire an expensive development team, raise millions in capital, and spend months, if not years, writing custom code just to get a basic platform off the ground. There was virtually no middle ground. Section 1. The Paradigm Shift. Introducing SNAS. For the last 2 years, Linkspreed has been quietly dismantling that old binary choice. They've been building an infrastructure designed to give the power right back to the creators, the brands, and the businesses. So the crucial point is understanding their new model, Social Networks as a Service, or SNAS. While traditional software as a service hands you an application to use, SNAS hands you actual community power. It is the fundamental difference between renting a tool and owning a space. With SNAS, you're empowered to build and manage your own custom network completely free from the constraints of big tech, free from intrusive tracking, and completely immune to manipulative algorithms that hide your content from your own members. 30 seconds. Seriously, just 30 seconds. That is not an exaggeration. Because of this SNAS model, a fully functional community can literally be spun up on web4.community in just 30 seconds. You provide a single, simple prompt describing what you want. Maybe it's a social feed, a video network, or a music platform, and the AI-assisted engine deploys it instantly. No months of coding, no massive dev teams, just your vision brought to life in half a minute. It's wild. The entire SNAS ecosystem is built on 3 core promises that completely flip the script on traditional social media. First, you get customization at every single level, ensuring the look and feel actually reflects your brand. Second, and this is immensely important, is data sovereignty. There is absolutely no data farming for ads here, which is honestly a breath of fresh air. The user data belongs entirely to the user, and they can export or delete it at any time. And third, it's highly scalable, with dynamic pricing that just adjusts automatically as your community grows. You only pay for what you actually use.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Section 2. Unpacking the Web4 stack, from foundation to cockpit. To truly appreciate this new tech, we need a quick deconstruction of the stack it sits on. Now, the Web4 infrastructure is modular, and it runs on a really robust 7-layer security stack. But for our purposes today, we can break it down into 3 main areas. At the foundation, layer 1, we have UIID. Moving up to layer 6, we find ATRIUM. And finally, sitting right on top is Web4 Studio. So, Linkspreed provides the infrastructure, ATRIUM is the engine running the apps, and Web4 Studio is the cockpit where you actually sit down to design and launch your network. Let's look a little closer at that foundation. UID, which stands for Universal Integrated Identity Decoupled. This is a massive departure from how the internet currently works. Instead of being a mere tenant in someone else's centralized database, where you have 50 different passwords for 50 different silos and you've probably forgotten half of them, every user here owns their own identity. Registration and login across this entire ecosystem are powered by one single sovereign key. You own your digital presence, plain and simple. Then we have the engine itself, ATRIUM. When describing this Layer 6 super app engine, a fantastic mental model to use is this. Think of it, quote, like WeChat with better UI, UX, more AI, and decentralization, end quote. It's a modular, low-code toolkit. It basically allows network operators to upgrade their communities with simple one-click improvements, adding new plugins and capabilities without ever having to rebuild the underlying structure. Section 3. The Paintbrush, the live theme editor. This brings us to the centerpiece of today's explainer, the new visual no-code theme editor for Web4 Studio. Listen, this isn't just a basic color picker. It is a dynamic design environment. You get a live preview with absolutely no reloads. As you drag a slider or change a value, the running app dynamically repaints right in front of you, exactly as your members are going to see it. You can start from polished, ready-made, Instagram-inspired themes and just mold them to your brand. It uses a safe-by-design fallback system, meaning your experiments never overwrite the foundational code.
And because it uses shared design tokens, one single color tweak instantly ripples across every feed, panel, and button in your network. It ensures total consistency across the board.
Section 4. Why design sovereignty matters. Your network, your look.
So why does all this technical capability matter in the real world? Because of design sovereignty. Until now, changing your app's look meant filing a dreaded ticket with a developer or waiting weeks for a custom deployment. The theme editor completely eliminates that friction. And this brilliantly illustrates how democratized this technology has become. It doesn't matter if you're a nimble startup trying to build deep brand loyalty, a regional business creating a geo-aware community super app for your town, or a solo creator launching a dedicated music or video network. You no longer need millions in capital to own your digital destiny. Your network can finally look exactly like yours, not some generic template you were forced to settle for. We are officially entering an era where anyone can build a customized, sovereign digital ecosystem in seconds. One key, infinite doors, and now, infinite looks. The tools are right there waiting on web4.community. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Now that the barriers are gone and the paintbrush is in your hands, what will your infinite doors look like?